All right, what's up? What's up? Welcome back for another recap video. Today we have stock APLM was the one, pretty much the main one coming out into the open. As you can see, this thing is a complete mess. What a front side this thing had, right? It's just complete, just like barcode sort of price action. But there was some opportunity on it for sure. You know, every single day we do get opportunity. That's definitely for sure. So this was popping up. You know, for those early risers, this thing, you know, could have definitely provided some good opportunity, especially in this area. You know, breaking out of this $1, having that nice leg up to 110, pull back, break through the pre-market highs, and you know that could have made your day right there. I did not see this until about this area here. Started rising up into the highs here, and just real choppy, lots of resistance up in near the highs. You know, caused me to take a couple paper cuts here at the highs here and here. I can get my handy dandy arrow here, but yeah, right there and right there, taking some small paper cuts. Here I did not take this one, but on this area at the open, I was able to get in on this pullback and add into the break of pre-market highs, taking off in mid 140s before the backside move. We can pull up, what we can do is pull up the archive video, and I can show you what happened here on APLM. So right at the open, at this point I'm down like $60 coming in the open. I'm down like $60. I do end up making it all back in a little more, but yeah, right at the open we get that nice pop. I did not take this first initial pop. You know, still a little skeptical. Then I start getting in near the highs. You know, trying to anticipate a break, but you know, if you're getting in on the highs here on a little bit of an extended area, you're definitely taking a little bit of risk, especially if it's in a colder market. You're definitely taking a decent risk. So you kind of have to be in a breakout or bailout mindset, because a lot of times if it's in a slower market, we retest the highs, you know, you can get a fat red candle roll all the way back down. So definitely want to be careful of that. So let's see what happened here. Okay, so I traded in this area, in at 37, out at 36. So still kind of just getting my bearings here. Now I'm trading 500 shares, in at 38, out at 39, in at 140, and then out at 137. That was a bad timing there. I'm just kind of like in breakout or bailout, kind of reading the tape. When I do see a level break, I want to be in for the break at the highs, especially if you're near that area. Off the lows, that could have been a decent dip. In at 36, adding at 39. I wanted to get that break. I'm in 1,300 shares there. So this is actually not bad. Like, I was in it to win it right here. In at 36, starter position. You know, you had that one minute pullback. We're testing the highs. You know, this could have been a decent pop through the highs. So I was in it to win it. 200 shares there, adding 500. So I'm total of 700 shares. I added there at 39. And then added another 500 at 39 for the break of 40. We broke 40. And, you know, if it was strong, it would have immediately broke through the highs. But I take half off there at that break of 40. And then kind of just scaling out because it's just having so much resistance. And now look at 40 is getting chipped back down. So we can watch it again. So added again for the break to 40. And assuming the break of the 1 minute new candle, previous 1 minute candle. And you know, that would have been decent. And you can even take a look here. You know, you have a decent seller there, 35,000, about 35,000 shares. And we're like about to break it. We're about to break it right there to break through the highs. And then we just stall out. It's stiffens back up on the ask, and now I'm taking my break even or my small gain there. I was in it to win it there. I mean, I took some decent size there, enough to, you know, make some money, but just did not break through at that moment. We do pull back again. Now I'm kind of recalibrating. Got back in at 37. Nope, not quite yet. They're still chopping around. And then here is the area where I take my trade to kind of make my losses back. So take my position there at 37 as it's, let's see. So we're kind of holding that 90 EMA. So right here I'm risking 90 EMA, which is about 34 for the high a day. You know, we're still holding this area, which is good. And boom, we break. Actually, I got a lucky buy there. I'm getting filled at 37.57. The bid says 139. So yeah, there we go. And 200 shares. Looking for the break of 41. I added 500 shares there. Added another 500 shares at 37 and 38 and 40. Sorry, 38 and 40. Added 500 shares. I'm in 1,200 shares, and you get that breakout at taking off at 44. Pretty much, I just took it all off actually. You know, if there's a hotter market, I should be letting half ride. But thank God it didn't, because that's all the way back down to 34. So nice trade there. That was my best trade of the day. I just want to read the tape here a little bit better. I think I want to maybe, wish I could do slow-mo on this. I'd have to pull it up on YouTube if I want to do slow-mo. The thing with DAS is when you hit the buy button, it takes like a minute to fill on TOS, but it fills you at the bid that it was when you hit buy the bid or buy the ask on Dash Trader, which is, it's just good, but when you're reviewing your tape, it's definitely a discrepancy. Because like I hit the buy order there, I guess I got there at 140, you know. And my last fill was 140.99. Yeah, you can see that there is a little bit of a discrepancy, but it does fill you at the correct price. It's just a second late, just to reflect. Yeah, I mean, that was a decent trade through the highs. In a hotter market, this would have continued for sure. And finding, you know, timing those breakouts are tough lately. Very, very tough. They're just very choppy at the highs. It's very, very tough to time. So in a way, to adapt to this sort of market, I got to figure out a way to adapt to this new market, whether that be focusing more on dips and selling into 1 minute candles to make a new high, or breakout areas, not even the breakout, just breakout areas, because frontside moves adding near the highs still is like hardly working out too much. So yeah, we'll see what next week brings. You know, today was just pretty much a wash. Like this stock just faded all the way back down to sub pennies. This stock here, IBRX, did offer some opportunity. It was 130 million share float, so a little bit out of my wheelhouse. But this trade here was definitely, you know, for the break to 250 was the one I was eyeing. I was looking for a lower pullback, but we never really got it. And then we popped through 250 and kept going a little higher from there. But yeah, look at APLM all the way back down. So pretty much like ABVC yesterday, this one completely faded pretty hard for the rest of the day on ABVC here. Similar is what we're getting on the one APLM. So that's it. Not much else. Hope you guys did well today. Hope you guys were green. Definitely not many opportunities after the open, unless you're trading that other stock IBRX. But hopefully you guys we're able to get some green out of the market. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. If you are a new viewer, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.